Hello everyone, I am Shreya Singh Papola. You are watching me on my mama's channel. Today I am going to recite a poem. Before I start the poem, please like and subscribe my mama's channel. So let's start. Hope you will like it. So let's start. If I was a superhero, I would definitely fly. Arms outstretched, racing birds in the sky. If I was a superhero, I would save all the oceans with my secret and magical cleaning up potions. If I was a superhero, I would save all the trees, the mountains and the rivers, the birds and the bees. If I was a superhero, I will help the poor, give them food and make them no more hungry. If I was a superhero, I am sure you will agree the world would be better because of me. The world would be better because of me. Thank you. Have a nice day.